Let's turn it up. Feel the rhythm in your soul. Every word, every beat. Let the music take control. Oh yeah. Open up your ears and let the melody flow. Flow. Immerse yourself in English. Let the learning grow. From pop to rock and everything between, we'll sing it.